Hi everyone, nandito po kami ngayon sa Chikaan, dito po sa Ayala Center, Cebu. And dito muna kami guys, magla-lunch because we're still trying to figure out kung saan kami magpapaayos ng laptop ko. The one shop where we inquired, it costs us like around 9,000 pesos daw magpaayos. And you can get the laptop on the same day. For the meantime, dito muna kami kakain. Ito pala yung order namin guys. We ordered the set B, 1,499. Meron na siyang crispy pata, regular, pinolang manok, pansit gisado, dinagoongang kangkong, iced tea pitcher, and unlimited rice for 4 packs.
Hi guys, so I'm trying the pansit gisado. I have crispy pata and the pansit gisado. Crispy pata. This is the binagoongang kangkong, which is for sure makakain ng bongga ni Andrew. This is the pansit gisado. Manok, magpakita ka. Paano tayo mapaya tayo walang manok? Very for the bahay ang peg ng ating food. Meron tayong iced tea pala guys. This is the Barkada set. We tried the set B. Meron silang set A. I think the difference is, yung sabaw nila is pork sinigang. Yung main dish nila is yung butter chicken. Yun ang kaibahan guys. 1.3 yung set A. Set B is 1.4. This is super enough.
Enough na to. Kasi unlimited rice na po, 4 packs. Saan pwede magre-refill?
Sinabi?
Kamay nakalagay dito. Tingnan mo.
Only rice. Kasi nga, ang liit ng rice. Ako sabi ko mag-quest. Yan mo.
Ito na yung rice yung Crystal.
Nagkukuha rin yung Philippines kasi like, but then, since it's only rice, ito na lang ako maglagay ng ulam kaya. Ito ang totoong pagkain ko totoo. Bukod din talaga ang chikaan. Napansin ko rin na nagbabalik-balik tayo sa chikaan ko.
I think this is the go-to restaurant talaga. Pag gusto mo ng home-cooked meal. How's the food?
Masarap naman lang. Siyempre, balik-balik na tayo rin. Actually, sabaw lang yung kinakain ko.
Ay, wow.
My braces adjusted yesterday. Sabaw-sabaw lang.
By the way guys, before I forget, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the place. That is the cashier, dyan banda. Dyan po kayo mag-order. Or, they can take your order at your table. Doon po banda yung CR nila guys. And this is the full restaurant. We'll be right back. Kakain muna kami. Let's eat! Tara! Pagkatapos namin kumain sa Chikaan, and I'm going to give it 5 stars, guys. As always, napakasarap ng pagkain nila. You better go there. Shoutout pala kay Claire at kay Yas. Yung Chikaan pala, guys, they're actually located by Thursday's area dito po sa Ayala Center, Cebu. Ano yung review mo to sa Chikaan? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest.
4.5.
Will you recommend them?
Yes, kasi yun naman talaga ang isa sa mga restaurant. Kaya nga tayo naka-order ng rice ulit. Rice yun siya. I'm so full. Wala naman ang cravings ko ngayon.
Hindi tayo nag-dessert. Yun yung kulang.
Oh, it's on nagpaparinig. Oh my gosh, 50%.
Madaming sila ngayon, Tel. Naghanap na naman si Jomer ng sale. Magkano naman yan, oy? I don't know.
2,000.
Kaya can you afford?
Yes, but not today and not forever.
Oh my God,
siya.
I have 1.8.
Sakto yun.
Ay, kani siya 1. 1.1.
1.4.
Naman siya 1.176 dire. Or kani. Or makayo eh, flower ish. Ano, tag 900 ra. Ang saman ka to. Bagay naman sa tanan kani. Ang brown.
Brown daw.
Ewan. Daming options.
Try, mura kang chikon.
Pangit.
Langit.
Ako uncle na seaman ba?
Kasi ano po magamit ani.
For sure. Kaya ganyan mga color niya. Jums, kaya yan ang gusto niya. Starting this month, my God, ang daming sale. It's all over the place. Meron na tayong na-find na gem. Since hindi man tayo nagplano na bumili, no? But then, nakita na ito. So, meaning to say, Jums, wow, na ano talaga yung it's meant to be 2,490. Ano na lang siya, 1,2. Hoy, Herschel. Charot. Shout out, ha. Ito na, ha. Nasa video kayo.
Ito yung gusto
Dear
ko, Herschel. Okay, ito. Ito na lang. Ito na lang pa.
Mas ba yung pinakamahal?
Herschel, baka naman.
And this one. This black. Ano ko? Yun lang.
Tag 1.7.
1.7. Kasi, ano sa mga resale? Oh my gosh, guys. Ganyan kayo dapat. Pili, sale, bilhin nyo, gamitin nyo. Like, don't plan anything. If you see it, and if you can afford it, buy it. The body bag, naka-sale. And then, ang brand is Herschel. Herschel baby talaga si Jomar, kung alam nyo lang. Let's go shop somewhere else. Taas pa tayo.
Hoy, taas pa din.
Nag-ground na talaga tayo. Tingnan mo, ano lang yung ano. Guys, relax, okay? Protag na kuhan kalin ha, kaya ang escalator naraman tayo sa likod. Chill! Let's go, sale siya, okay? Relax.
Ano yung kung gagkuhugag sa suban kay excited pa?
Ano yung tawag?
Pang pila to? 4,000?
2.9.
Ay, 2.9?
Paano siya? Tawag ko na overwhelmed pa. Slide. Nawala, uy. Pero ganun dapat guys. Ganahan, budget na ito maglibot-libot. Kailangan ko na uhaw. James, pinipilit mo talaga ako. James, nabilan mo ako ng coffee. Sige na nga.
Okay, para nakawala kami. We're currently lost. Are we lost?
Chill, guys. Chill. This is still Ayala, you know? Guys, nawawala kami. Kabahan na ba? Ba't bigla tayo nawawala? Di ba this is our turf? Ano nangyari?
Nandito na po kami sa may SST laptop. Dito pa kami magpapaayos ng laptop ko. I'll see you in a couple minutes, guys, and I'll give you an update later.
Many minutes later.
Finally, nakapag-ayos na kami ng laptop namin, guys. So, it only cost us how much, Joms? Kasi si Jomer talaga nag-haggle, guys, sa pag-ayos ng laptop namin.
Hangyo gid akong maayo. From magkano yun? 10,000 plus, naging 9,000, hanggang naging 8,500 na lang. Thank you so much, ate. Ang bait ni ate. Kung sino man ang pagbibigyan ko nito, sana gamitin mo sa pag-aaral talaga.
Hi, Karen!
Doing this for you. Sana maging honor ka.
Grabe ang pressure na
Kahit hindi
yun.
ka maka-honor, basta maka-graduate ka lang.
Ako naman, basta, may message. Ken basta tapilya be, kahit na, dali el nombre. Give me the name.
Sino yung nag-ano sa'yo? Kasi batukan ko yun.
Sino nga? Kasi yung mga wakwak to. Antay ba, Drew? Makuha
After
today.
1 hour daw, sabi nila. So, they're just gonna reach out to us within an hour or after an hour when it's
Okay.
ready.
So, habang nag-aantay tayo, let's go somewhere we can chill out.
Mga pisa niya. para madungagan yung tents namin sa mga bayaran.
Para may additional gastos today. Versace guys. Ito sabi ko,
Fake man siya, ang brand.
295. Ay, pala. Pero no, grabe.
Bakit siya mahal? Do you know why?
Baka the material that was used.
The brand. Baka
Whatever the material is not worth it.
Bakit hindi ko kilala?
dapat may gold. Gusto ko may gold.
Pinapawisan ako. Ano mo yun? Kala, na talaga ako. Charot. We're off to Starbucks. Charot, naging Inglesera kasi
O,
may...
dapat pag English na kayo, huwag mo
Depende sa
tulog.
surrounding.
Wala ko tulog, muga-muga. O, saan ka na po, ano ba?
I feel like this place is, for those rich lang.
Oh.
We have to feel the vibe and we have to somehow. Mag-coffee lang tayo habang nag-aantay.
So ito na nga, nandito na kami sa
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Basta manin mo ha?
Baka meron na silang
There's no pumpkin roll. Coffee ka or isa na lang?
mag-coffee lang kung
Isa na lang.
ice, dual mocha. Yung venti ha? Venti. Jomar is currently ordering some drinks for us. And we're currently looking for another chair because we're lacking one chair. I hope there's one available for us para kay Jomar. Wala, sa Jomar ay she's gonna sit over there. Doon.
Sabay-sabay na pumunta dito pero magkahiwalay ng upuan.
We'll be right back. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. We finally have our orders for today. We've ordered the Mocha Double Espresso. This is only for 240 pesos, the venti size. And yung order ni Jomar, guys, he ordered the Cafe Americano, as usual. And what size is this, Jones? Is this the regular? Magkano siya, Jones? 65. What's your order?
White chocolate mocha na may whipped cream, 250 pesos. What do you think is the name? Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon to name this pastry, what will you call it?
Brownie. It's a brownie.
Alam nga, nag-isip ka doon. May brownie tayo, yan na. Bigger version.
We've ordered two. How much is it though?
Hello, how much is it?
125.
How much is it total? 250. Oh, ala.
Tara man lang luto na ko, Droy. Wala akong ibang kilalang. Is that, new flavor for you?
Yeah, new flavor. Kasi may espresso na siya.
Espresso.
Nagustuhan mo ba to?
Mo man akong order per me.
The ice one or the hot one?
The ice Americano.
How many shots of...
Espresso.
2 or 3, I'm not sure.
I think it's 3.
Pwede maglagay ng 10 shots.
Pwede if you are crazy.
Okay, we can do it though.
Kasi may price man ang shots. So if you will pay for the shots, if you can,
Pwede.
edi pwede.
Pwede lang. I'm sleepy. Look at my face, it's so dry.
Fresh pa rin. Ala, fresh ako dyan.
I'm so dry.
Ito pala yung tsura ng Starbucks dito sa may Ayala Center Cebu sa taas na floor. I think this is the rooftop area.
Are you
So
warm?
this is the dining area. That's the counter. Ay, parang
Abi na kung siya na kasamang inasal, boarding house, di ay na.
this is our view, guys. We're just gonna stand by muna dito sa my Starbucks and I'll give you an update kung walang issues yung pinaayos namin na laptop. So I hope not. So see you in a couple of minutes, guys. got the laptop. Thank goodness guys, naayos na talaga siya. It's only for 8,500 guys, yung pinayos namin na LCD sa aking laptop. Thank you so much. I just want to thank this shop. So this is the name of the shop guys. So thank you so much Kuya and Ate for helping us for today. So nakuha namin siya within the day lang guys for a couple of hours. We're gonna put all of the information below, how you can contact them and where they are located. Right now guys, I don't know where we're going, but nandito yung isang kasama namin guys na si Christian Malore. Ay, fresh nga yun siya. Oh my God.
Sabi ko thank you for the S. You know what? We're planning to live sell sa TikTok. Charot lang.
Anong bibili niya siya? What are you going to buy?
Shampoo.
Ito man curly.
Ito, 249 lang ah.
Nice man na.
Magkano to? 400?
400 plus.
Ikadok.
Nice
squeaky daghan siya.
This is what we bought guys. Conditioner. Ano to? Aloe vera? Shampoo.
Shampoo yan.
Ay wow. Glutamax. Yan yung ginagamit mo Chan? Is that what you're using?
No.
Ano yung ginagamit mo?
Baretta.
Surf. Ano? Ariel? Ah, okay,
Perla Baretta or Tide.
Dove, baka na ito.
Dito lang ako sa labas.
Okay.
Hey, hey, hey.